Today I'm going to be showing you guys my Trader Joe's haul. Hey! So I just went to Trader Joe's and I actually had a really great experience, and this is like my maybe third time going there. I really enjoy it. I got some cool stuff, so I'm going to show you guys what I got. So if you like this video, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. So let's get into it. Okay. So sorry if my makeup's messed up. I put my mask on, and sometimes when I wear the mask and I have makeup on, it just moves my makeup around my face, especially like my lipstick, but whatever. I spent about $80 something with tax. They stuck everything in 2 bags. So we'll just start with the one thing that didn't fit in the bag, which is these russet potatoes. These were super cheap. It was like $2 for the whole bag. Next, I got these restaurant style tortilla chips, and they're really good. They have like a hint of lime to them, so they're really, really good. Next, I got this Lemony Arugula Basil salad kit, and I just wanted to try it because it looked really good, and you know, it comes with like a basil lemon vinaigrette too, which sounded really good. I also got some Basmati rice, which I absolutely love. You can't have too much of that. I also got some Indian style flatbreads. It has 4 of them in there, and they're super soft. So I'm really excited about these. Next, I got my spinach and kale and Greek yogurt dip, which is one of my faves always. And I got the Salsa Verde just because I love this kind of salsa. It's delicious, and I was running low, so gotta replenish. I've never tried this one, but hopefully it's good. It's salsa. Then I got a can of garbanzo beans or chickpeas, whatever you want to call them. And then I got a can of black beans. Then I got the everything but the bagel sesame seasoning, just because I really like it. It's delicious if you haven't tried it. And I also got the tzatziki creamy garlic cucumber dip, just because I've really been enjoying like the tzatziki sauce and stuff, and I kind of wanted to use that on my flatbreads with some other stuff that I got. Next, I got the vegan kale, cashew, and basil pesto. I got this the first time I went to Trader Joe's, and honestly, this pesto is delicious. So, yeah. And then, of course, I got some crumbled feta cheese because, I mean, I love feta cheese, right? Who else does? Ooh, I found the receipt, you guys. Next, I got another favorite, which is my cruciferous crunch. Hey, it's so good, okay? Like, you need it in your life, okay? Then I got these roasted potatoes with peppers and onions. Normally I don't buy stuff like this, but it looks so good, and I saw it last time and I was like, I can make this myself. But I just realized sometimes you don't want to spend forever cutting up potatoes and doing stuff. So I figured this would be an easy side to have that won't take that long to cook, because I mean, it's already done. You just warm it up. So that's what it looks like. And I also got some beef and broccoli. I love beef and broccoli. It's one of my favorite things to get if I go get Chinese food. So I was like, I'll just get it because I saw it. So yeah, you just saute it, have it with some rice, super quick, super easy. also got some green beans just because they looked really good and they were a good price. They're already trimmed and cleaned, so all you have to do is cook them. So super exciting. I also got spicy Italian chicken sausage. I actually got this sausage last time. It's actually really good, so had to get me some more. Here is my cauliflower gnocchi. It's actually like kind of weird and different, but I kind of like it. I'm trying to experiment and find different ways to eat it, so I'm gonna try that this time, but I wanted to get it again because why not? I also got the tri-colored frozen peppers. They just look like this. I really like these like sauteed with like mixed into stuff. You can mix it into just anything. They're really good, so. I also got some broccoli florets just because I really like frozen broccoli. It's super simple, pretty easy to make, great side, so yes. I also got this butter chicken with basmati rice just because every now and then I like to have a frozen meal just in my fridge on days like when I don't feel like cooking and I need something for like lunch for work or something like that. And I got another one of theirs last time. I think it was the chicken tikka masala, and it was so good. So I was like, I'm gonna try this one, the butter chicken, so yay. Next, I got the shawarma chicken thighs. So it already has like the seasoning. I guess it's already cut up. I'm really not sure. The container was about $6.99, but I just feel like that. I was thinking of making like little gyros. I really wanted to find some gyro meat because I had seen that before at Trader Joe's, but I didn't see it this time. So I'm gonna put this and maybe put it on a salad one day, and also put it in like the little non-flatbreads, and with the tzatziki sauce and make like little gyros. So that's why I wanted to try this. And my last item are just ground beef patties. I haven't had these in a while, and honestly, I really like having like just little hamburger patties because I'll just put them on my little George Foreman grill, and it gives me like the steak vibes, even though it doesn't taste like steak. But I just really like eating that with like a vegetable or like maybe like some mashed potatoes, something like that. And I feel like it's something really yummy. So yeah, that was everything that I bought. So it's all behind me. Here's my receipt. I spent $83 including tax. So before tax, I spent $75.56. I feel like I got quite a bit of food and I got like some cool stuff. I wasn't really thinking about like different meals and stuff that I wanted. I just knew I kind of had a taste for like gyros, and like I wanted a few like vegetables, so that's why I got the broccoli, the green beans, the salad, the cruciferous crunch. And I also have noticed like I really wished I had more like frozen meals, so that's why I got like the beef and broccoli I can just heat up, or those roasted potatoes, and then also the butter chicken. So yeah, I'm probably gonna make some stuff with these meals, and I will show you guys that stuff, or not with these meals, with these food items, and I'll show you guys that in a later video. But yeah, let me know down in the comments below if you shop at Trader Joe's, and if you do, what are your favorite things to get there? Do you get any of this stuff, or is there something that is like I didn't mention that you like to get? If you've never been to Trader Joe's, you should go. No, I'm just kidding. Only if you want to. I think you should go because I enjoy it. To me, it's more peaceful than going to other grocery stores, even though like it's smaller. I just feel like I have a better time there. Also with this time right now with you know, like COVID and stuff like that, they were super clean. Like they gave me hand sanitizer like 4 times. They were sanitizing the baskets. Like they were moving your basket around to make sure people weren't too close together. So I felt like it was really clean, and honestly it was a really great like shopping experience today. So I enjoyed it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.